Hey moneymakers, welcome to Leomund. I'm an AI-generated character, but don't let that fool you. I'm here to give you the most valuable information that others are charging thousands for. My only goal is to help you grow and succeed, so focus on the knowledge in this video because it can be life-changing. Today, we're diving deep into how to grow and make money using Threads, the easiest social media platform to scale right now. If you're here, it means you're serious about changing your life and building a future where you control your income, not some boss, not some corporation, but you. I want you to take a moment and imagine your dream life. The freedom to work from anywhere. The ability to wake up without an alarm clock. No more stressing about bills. More time with family. More time doing what you love. Guess what? This is not a fantasy. It's not something reserved for lucky people. This is the real power of making money online. Something that anyone can do, regardless of experience, background, or education. But the difference between those who succeed and those who stay stuck is simple: taking action. Most people fail, not because online business doesn't work, but because they give up too soon. The biggest reason people never escape the 9-to-5 trap is because they're afraid to fail. They start something for a few weeks, don't see instant success, and quit. But success comes to those who stay consistent. Imagine planting a seed. It doesn't grow overnight. But if you water it every day, it eventually blooms. Here's how to develop the unstoppable mindset you need. Stop looking for quick money. Building online income takes effort, but the rewards are worth it. Be okay with failing. Every mistake teaches you something. The only real failure is quitting. Invest in knowledge. The more you learn, the more you earn. Free resources like Leomund exist to help you. Use them. Why Threads great for beginners? Threads is Instagram's version of Twitter or X, and right now it's offering one of the best organic growth opportunities on social media. I've seen people go from 0 to 30,000 followers in just a couple of months by using the exact strategies I'm about to show you. Not only is it easy to grow, but you can also monetize it in multiple ways, far beyond just the Threads bonus program. There are people out there selling this exact knowledge in expensive courses, but here on Leomund, I give it all away for free. All I ask in return is that you hit the like button and subscribe. It helps me keep bringing you free, valuable content. If you want to grow on Threads, the key is engagement. The more people interact with your post, the more the algorithm pushes it out. Here's how to make sure your threads go viral. Use attention-grabbing hooks. Start with bold words like truth, reminder, or crazy fact to instantly catch people's eyes. These keywords create an instant curiosity gap, making users more likely to stop scrolling. People process bold, short phrases faster than long sentences, so your message sticks. Experiment with different hooks and see which ones get the most engagement over time. Post high engagement content. Ask simple but compelling questions. Think, what's one mistake you'll never make again? Or, if you could tell your younger self one thing, what would it be? Questions invite responses, and the more comments your thread gets, the more reach it has. Open-ended questions work best because they encourage thoughtful discussions. Try mixing emotional, motivational, and niche-specific questions to see what resonates most with your audience. Leverage consistency. Posting at least 4 to 5 times a day increases visibility. Threads are quick and easy, so volume matters. Each post is another opportunity for exposure, and the algorithm rewards active users. The more you post, the more data you gather on what works, allowing you to refine your strategy. Consistency builds trust with your audience, making them more likely to engage with your content over time. Repost what works. If a thread performs well, repost it a couple of weeks later. Chances are it will go viral again. Most of your audience won't see your content the first time, so reposting gives it a second chance. Small tweaks like a different hook or wording can make the same content feel fresh. Viral content tends to work because of universal appeal, so leverage it to keep growing. Use Threads as a funnel. Whether you're selling digital products, offering services, or growing your personal brand, Threads can drive traffic directly to your offers. The ability to include links in Threads makes it easier than ever to direct followers to your website or sales page. Instead of just posting for engagement, strategically guide your audience toward your content, offers, or lead magnets. Think of Threads as a conversation starter that leads people to your deeper, more valuable content elsewhere. The Threads bonus system is a game changer. Instagram is literally paying users to post content. Some creators are making up to $5,000 per month just by being active on Threads. The amount you earn depends on engagement, so the more interaction your posts get, the higher your potential earnings. Requirements to qualify for the Threads bonus program: you must have a creator or business account on Instagram. You need to be actively posting and engaging on Threads. Instagram randomly invites eligible users, so there is no guaranteed way to apply, but staying active increases your chances. Bonuses are usually offered to users in specific countries where Instagram has rolled out the program. How to check and apply for the bonus: open Instagram and go to your professional dashboard under your profile. Tap on Bonuses. It looks like a little treasure box. If you see an invitation for the Threads bonus, follow the steps to opt in and start earning. Now, beyond just relying on the bonus system, here are more ways to monetize Threads effectively. First one is affiliate links and sponsorships. You can link directly in Threads, making it easier to promote products and earn commissions. Partner with brands and promote relevant products that align with your audience's interests. Use call to actions like, "I've been using this tool daily, check it out here," to drive clicks. Authenticity is key. People trust recommendations when they feel genuine, so only promote things you truly believe in. Second one is sell digital products. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or templates, Threads can be a powerful platform to promote and sell digital goods. Share valuable insights in your posts, then link to a product that dives deeper into the topic. Ask engaging questions like, "Would you be interested in a free guide on this?" to gauge interest before launching. Use limited time discounts or early bird offers to encourage immediate action from your audience. Third one is drive traffic to other platforms. Use Threads to send followers to your YouTube, email list, or website, where you can monetize further. Pin a high-value thread that links to your best-performing content elsewhere. Repurpose your Threads content into videos, blogs, or emails to maximize its impact. The goal is to turn casual followers into loyal fans by bringing them into your ecosystem where you offer even more value. The opportunity with Threads is huge, but like anything else, success comes from consistency and strategy. You don't need to spend money on ads or expensive AI tools. Just apply these tactics and watch your growth take off. If you found this valuable, drop a comment with your biggest takeaway and let me know how fast you're growing on Threads. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you free game-changing content. See you in the next video.